Bellwork 4.4b, question number 3. We're going to start by doing what's inside the parentheses, which is division. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. A to the second has the smaller exponent. You're going to have to find the new exponent for the a on the bottom. C to the third has the smaller exponent. You're going to have to find the new exponent for the c in the denominator. E to the fourth has the smaller exponent. And you're going to have to find the new exponent for the e in the numerator. Okay, now that we divide, we always rewrite. So in the numerator, I have negative 3, b to the fourth, and e to whatever you found that to be. On the bottom, I have got variables a, c, and d. It's d to the third, but you had to find for the a and the c. All right, now I still have the parentheses on the outside, and I also have the negative 4. All right, now that I've simplified what's on the inside, I'm ready to take care of that exponent on the outside. Sorry, make these just a little bit. So on the outside, I've got a negative exponent. Well, we don't want a negative exponent, so what we're going to do is let's circle that. And I want you to write, flip it. So that means whatever was in the numerator is going to go to the denominator, and what was ever on the denominator will go to the numerator. So on top, or in the numerator, excuse me, in the numerator, I have a, and then c, and then d to the third. You have to figure out, it's the same thing as what it was up in the problem of what if we just needed to flip it. In the denominator, I've got negative 3, b to the fourth, and then e. And now because we flipped it, we took the reciprocal, that outside, excuse me, that outside exponent is going to be a positive 4. And now that that is a positive 4, I'm ready to do power of a fraction. So I'm going to start by taking this negative 3 and writing it to the fourth power off to the side. So negative 3 to the fourth. For the numerator, again, I'm going to have a, c, and d. To find those exponents, you need to multiply by this 4. One more try. There we go. So again, this is all something you're going to do on your own. So take 4 times whatever you got for the exponent for the A, 4 times whatever the exponent was for the C, and then 4 times 3 to get your exponent for your D. For the denominator, I'm taking -3 to the 4th power. I'm not going to tell you what that is. You need to figure that out for yourself. So in other words, you're putting this in your calculator. Whatever you get there, that's going to be down here. And then you've got a B and an E on the bottom. You're going to have to multiply those exponents to figure out what your exponent for the B should be for your answer. And then you're going to multiply this. To figure out what your exponent for the E should be in the answer. And then that would be it for question number 3. So let me back it up real quick. So first of all, up here, you had to subtract to find the new exponents. For E, 6 minus 4, and so forth. Then here, you're just rewriting it. So we flipped it. So when we flipped it, whatever was in the denominator moved to the numerator, and whatever was in the numerator moved to the denominator. And then to finish it, all you're doing is doing the power of a fraction. So I took the -3 to the 4th power, and then I also multiplied the exponents to get my exponents for my answer. I know there's a lot of blanks there, but we've done enough of those that I feel that you should be fine. If you have any questions, let me know.